So today I'll be showing you how to fix a green screen issue with your iPhone. Now, obviously this particular iPhone has no green screen issue, but in case you get a green screen issue, here's how to try and diagnose and fix that problem. Now, the first thing you need to do is analyze the events that took place before you had your green screen. Did you install a new app? Did you drop your phone? What exactly happened? Did you put your phone in water? What could have happened to your iPhone for it to get a green screen? Now, if it's an app you installed, then it's very simple. Simply uh, uninstall that app. Now, if you have a complete green screen and you can't actually interact with the interface, then the first thing you need to do is perform a soft reset of your iPhone. Now, a soft reset will not erase your data. It's just going to sort of force restart the iPhone. And in case you have a green screen because of a glitch or something, that's going to resolve that issue. So to do that, you press volume up, volume down quickly, and then long press on the side button. You have to do it quickly. And if you don't see the shutdown screen like you're seeing right now, then you've probably done something wrong. Okay, so you want to try again. So hold that button until the screen goes dark, and then you see the Apple logo, and then you can let go and allow your iPhone to reboot. Hopefully, that's gonna clear the green screen. Now, once it's cleared, then now you can reanalyze the events that took place. Now, if it's an app that you had installed, then that might be causing your green screen. So you might want to go ahead and uninstall that app and make sure you're downloading the correct application that you intended to download. Now, you might also want to try the other stuff like resetting all your settings. So you can actually reset all the settings of your iPhone. You can do that by going to Settings and then going to General. Under General, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on that and then tap on Reset. And then you should see Reset All Settings. Now, this will reset all your settings and configurations, but it will not erase your personal data. So your data like your photos and videos, your your apps will be intact, your passwords, everything is going to be intact. It's only the settings that you might have toggled with that are causing your green screen might be reset or actually going to get reset. So if you want to, you can follow through with that. Just tap on reset all settings. It's going to ask for your passcode or face ID, and then that's going to reset only the settings. That's going to make you lose your Wi-Fi connections, your Bluetooth connections, all that stuff. Now, if you're still having problems with your iPhone after this, with that green screen, then you might have performed or you might have damaged the hardware of your iPhone. So it's important to maybe go to your local Apple store and have them check it out. Maybe it could be a hardware issue. All right. Thanks for watching and good luck.